Hello everyone, in this video we are just going to build a project of day-night detector using LDR and LCD module driven via PCF8574 using Arduino. Let's get started. Let's try to understand the schematic that we are going to build. And on the screen you can see this is the Arduino Uno development board that we are going to use. And as the first step, I am just going to draw a common 5-volt rail and also a ground rail for building the circuit. So you can see the red rail on the top is the 5-volt common rail which I am going to utilize for powering the other components in the circuit, and the black rail in the top is the ground rail from Arduino. I am doing this because I am not going to use any external power supply for powering other components in the circuit. So that is why I am just making the 5-volt and ground from the Arduino Uno development board as a common thing. And the next component that is required here is the I2C powered PCF8574 based LCD module. You can see on the left, this is the LCD module, 16x2 LCD module with PCF8574 IC. So this extension board in the black is the PCF8574 IC development board or module board, which is connected to the 16x2 LCD, which will help us to drive this LCD via I2C communication. Let's build the schematic for driving this particular LCD via this PCF8474 using the I2C communication from Arduino Uno. Now as the first step, I just want to power up this particular module. You can clearly see it has 4 pins: VCC, ground, SDA and SCL. SDA is the data pin of I2C communication. SCL is the clock pin of I2C communication, which will be connected to SCL of Arduino Uno and SDA of Arduino Uno, and this VCC and ground is useful for powering up this module as well as the LCD module. So I am just going to connect the VCC to 5-volt of Arduino Uno and ground to ground of Arduino Uno, and further SCL and SDA to SCL and SDA of Arduino Uno development board. So let me do that. So I am connecting VCC to 5-volt of Arduino Uno development board and ground to ground of Arduino Uno development board. And we very well know that the SCL pin of Arduino Uno is nothing but A5 pin, that is the analog 5 pin. So I am just going to connect SCL to A5 of Arduino Uno, and further the SDA is nothing but A4 of Arduino Uno development board. So let me just connect that to A4. That's it. That's all the circuit that is required. You can clearly see the VCC and ground is connected to VCC and ground of Arduino Uno development board, and SCL is connected to A5 of Arduino Uno development board, and SDA is connected to A4 of Arduino Uno development board. So the next component that is required for building the project is LDR and 10 kilo ohms resistor. So using this LDR and a 10 kilo ohms resistor, we are just going to build a potential divider or voltage divider circuit. So it is very simple. That is, I am just going to connect one end of LDR to 5-volt and one end of the resistor to ground of the circuit, and intermediate one end of the 10 kilo ohms and one end of the LDR which is left out, I am just going to connect it as common. So that's all about the connection. Now one more connection left out is that the intersection of 10 kilo ohms and LDR is the output terminal for analog pin of Arduino Uno development board. So that terminal I am just going to connect it to A0 of Arduino Uno development board. That's all about the schematic. You can see LDR one end is connected to 5-volt and 10 kilo ohms one end is connected to ground, and the free ends of 10 kilo ohms and LDR is commonly sorted, and that terminal is connected to A0 pin of Arduino development board for reading the voltage value, that is the analog voltage value, so that we can detect the light or the amount of light falling on the LDR depending on the voltage that is we receive in analog pin 0 of Arduino Uno. Now let's see how we can program the Arduino Uno for finding what particular time now is, whether it is daytime, nighttime or twilight time. Let's start coding. So this is the code that I have written for light monitor project. You can clearly see this is divided into two different parts. One is the interfacing of LCD part, I2C LCD part, and another one is interfacing of LDR circuit to our Arduino. The LCD part is common that we did in the Hello World program of I2C LCD. So that is the basic interfacing of LCD. Nothing is changing beyond that. I am just going to use the same functions for printing the data onto the LCD. But the interfacing of LDR circuit part varies. The more the light that is falling on the LDR, more the voltage that will be given from that particular voltage divider. So the LDR circuit is connected to A0 of Arduino Uno. So we are just going to read the analog voltage from A0 channel of Arduino. So here I am just initializing the LCD, turning on the backlight, setting the cursor at 0th column 0th row, and I am printing light monitor for 2 seconds, and I am clearing that. That's all about the initialization part. And coming inside the infinite loop of the program, here I am just going to declare and define a variable called LDR value, which is a 16-bit variable, and I am reading the LDR pin. LDR pin is nothing but A0. This will be a step value as per the voltage provided from the voltage divider, that is from the LDR. More the light that is falling, more will be the value that I am getting. The maximum value from this particular read function is 1023 and minimum value will be 0. So I will get 0 to 1023 as the step value from the sensor. More the light that is falling, I will get more value. Less, if the light is less, I will get lesser value. Here I am just printing the LDR in the first row, first column, and LDR value in the following same row, but in different column. And coming to the second row, first column, if the LDR value is greater than 800, I will print daytime, that is more light falling, which causes the increase in value more than 800, so I am printing daytime. If it is between 400 to 800, I will print twilight. Else, if it is too low, below 400, I will print nighttime. That's all. And this particular read and the whole operation will be done for every half a second or 500 millisecond. That is the reading part, and printing part in the LCD will happen for every 500 millisecond. That's all. That's all about the program. Let's see the output in the hardware. I am just clicking on this particular icon for uploading the program to the Arduino Uno, which is already connected to COM6. When you click on this particular icon, the compilation will be also done. Following that, the uploading will be done. You can see compilation is done and uploading is also done. Let's see the output in the hardware. This is the output which I got in the hardware. You can see, since there is no interruption of light that is falling in the LDR, it is showing it as daytime because of the amount of light falling on the LDR is more. When I try to reduce the amount of light that is falling on the LDR, you can see it is displaying twilight time. And when I almost cut out the light that is falling on the LDR, you can see it is displaying night time. So depending on the light or the amount of light falling on the LDR, this particular circuit interface to Arduino will enable you to know the time of the environment, that is whether it is daytime, nighttime or twilight time. I hope you learned something new in this particular video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.